We got this because every year we get a lot of leaves and foliage build up outside in the eaves troughs. And plus, when cleaning, I like to get into the little crevices and tight spaces. This one is model number MP5143 that Campbell Hausfield offers. At the back of the packaging, there's a brief description along with a warning statement to wear eye protection. Let's go ahead and open up the package. This is actually very lightweight. There's a 3-inch extended nozzle, which looks like it will do a good job fitting into small, tight spaces. And the handle itself has ridges to help you get a good grip. The trigger clamps down easily with just a squeeze. Let's go ahead and test it out. First thing to do is to screw on a coupling and then connect it to an air hose. We have ours connected to our DeWalt air compressor. One thing to note is that the trigger has a graduated air valve, so when you start to pull the trigger, the airflow starts very slow and then increases to full blast when the trigger is fully depressed. And there's absolutely no air leakage so far. We'll be using this outdoors to clean the eaves troughs as well as the car. We'll also be using this in the workshop to clean the workspace off from wood dust. Indoors, we'll be using this to clean the washrooms, our baseboards, and likely much, much more.